Now we are moving to the next roof, which is this one. So as you can see, on these two sides the slope is there, as well as on this in this side the slope is there. So it is a slight complication added to the previous one. So you'll go to 3D and just check the model. Go to architecture, group by footprint, again level 2, and we will again set the overhang to 1 feet. We'll trim it, and for these two sides the slope were off. So we'll just analyze our building profile, the roof profile, and we will reduce the slope to 7" by 12". Now for this portion, we'll create another roof by footprint, and we will again give an overhang of 1 feet. And for the last side, we'll make it 0. We'll trim the roof, and on this side, the roof slope is supposed to be off. So we'll uncheck the define slope. And now as you can see, the roof profile is up a little bit because the slope of these two roofs are different. So we'll make it same, 7 by 12. Now these two roofs are on the same plane, but this roof goes inside the other roof. So what we can do is we can go to modify and again join these roofs. Once the roofs are joined, now we have completed this profile. We'll attach the roof, the walls to the roof, attach top base, and done. For this front, we'll also attach. Now this is completed.